Baby boomers is the title given to the generation of North Americans born between 1944 and 1964 in what is known as the post-war baby boom. By the year 2030, nearly 20% of the Canadian population will be over the age of 65. For adjusters in the P&C industry, that means a lot of claims involving seniors. An awareness of the common health issues that many seniors face can go a long way in better understanding the claims occurrence and how to better deal with an elderly claimant. The first thing to consider is hearing loss. From a claims perspective, for example, a senior may not hear the warning honk of another vehicle, resulting in an atypical accident claim. Or they may not hear the running water from a burst pipe before it causes more water damage than normal. Communicating properly is something else to consider when dealing with a hearing-impaired senior. Remember to speak in a louder but conversational tone and face the listener as much as possible. In some cases, when telephone communication becomes challenging, it is easier to deal with elderly clients via email or other written communication. As we age, our reaction time diminishes. This can be quite common in automobile accidents, but it can also result in major property loss as well. For example, a senior may not be able to extinguish a cooking fire before it spreads, resulting in a larger claim. It is important to not fault the insureds in these types of situations. Memory loss in seniors can be attributed to many factors. Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia are obvious, but declining health, medications, and lack of social interaction can all attribute to memory loss. Adjusters need to keep in mind that some seniors may have trouble recalling all of the details of the claim, and that this may be used against them when they are questioned by others. Adjusters need to be especially patient with elderly claimants and may have to repeat questions, etc. numerous times. One way adjusters can test an elderly claimant's understanding of the process and to reinforce memory is to respectfully ask them to repeat back their interpretation of what the adjuster has just told them. There is a tendency to treat seniors like children. A better rapport can be nurtured if adjusters treat elderly claimants with respect and listen to what they have to say instead of telling them what they should do. Seniors want to be in control of their lives as much as possible, so always involve them in the process. This segment is based on an article written by John Brewer for the October-November issue of Claims Canada magazine.